Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to rotoscope in Davinci Resolve 18. So to do this, it's pretty simple. First, to rotoscope here in our Davinci Resolve, of course we're gonna use AI. So here, just head up to app.runwayml.com. From there, just sign up. It's free, guys. I'm telling you, it's free. Then go to Video Editor Projects. From there, just go ahead and do new project, or you can start with green screen right here because that's what we're gonna do. So from green screen, all we have to do is drag your media from here. So as you can see, AI is gonna do the rest for you, so you can skip the tutorial since I'm gonna give you the tutorial right here. So it's gone, I guess. So where did it go? So it's supposed to be here. So there you go. So now just click on the area you start want to mark masking right here. So let's try to mask this person right here. So here, let's see, and there you go. So do this frame by frame until you get everything. So AI will do the rest, guys. So after you've done that, all you have to do is export this and do a background color, as you can see right here. So you can do the resolution of 720p and format of MP4. So export this mask into your files, guys. So just that simple. So once it's exporting, let's just wait for it to be done, and there you go. You can do it now and look at it in the asset page. So here it's exporting, as you can see. So once we go to DaVinci Resolve, all you have to do is go to our lower bottom corner and go to Fusion. So we'll be placing it right there for now. So let's try to do this and export this, and I'll be right back. So now that we have imported our film here, as you can see, it's a full green screen now. So now let's just lay that down in our track right here. So let's grab onto that in our media pool and drag it right here. So now we have that. We have to go to our own Fusion. So from here, just click Shift and Spacebar and search Delta Kayer, and then just add that right here into your nodes. And then from your nodes, go into background color and select that color right there. And there you go, we have landed on it, and there you go. It's just that simple. Now we have a colorless and green screen background, and now we've done it. It's just that simple. So there you go, guys, that is how you do it. And basically, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.